Hi there! In this video we will take a look how to add a custom option list to our product page. So first of all we go to our Textify Textbox app. We will click the button Create Field, going to Product Options, and now we will enter here a unique field name. I will do so. In my case we can just call it Option List 1, and we will also select the type of file we want to add, so in my case the option list. And what we're now going to do is we can click on the small pencil to edit the settings here. So we can add different kind of options. So let us say, for example, this option list is for a sticker which will come with the package. So what we're now going to do is we can first of all say, please select your sticker, double point. We can say also furthermore what are the values. So in my case the values of the option list can be, for example, let's say fish sticker, fox sticker, or what else we can say, horse sticker. Once this is done we can click the save button. So we will see that the option list will show here, and now we can decide on which product it should show or on which variant. In my case I want to show it on specific products, so I go to this products, choose products, and in my case it's called test product. So we can select it, click add, and we can click the save button. So now this field is getting generated. We can see it here, option list 1 is added. And if we now go back to the product page, refresh it one time, we will see that the option list is showing up here. So now our customers can go to the products. They can now decide what kind of sticker they want to select here. And then this will be overtaken, attached to the order, and you will know exactly what kind of sticker you should add into the package. That's how easy it is to add an option list on the product page.